Hello student. In fifth chapter, data handling, we solve exercise 5.2 today. In that first question, look, survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people like. Means here the survey of young peoples, okay, which type of music they like, that is surveyed here, okay, which is given in pie chart, and the data are given in percentage. 20% people like semi-classical, 10% like classical, 30% like folk, and 40% like light music. Okay, now you just observe that pie chart properly and give the answer of these questions. In that first question, if 20 people like classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Okay, here 20 people are there, and that is not in percentage. Okay, 20 total people are there who like classical music. Okay, so how to calculate that one? Look, number one, here the given data you just write down left side, and what you want to find out you just write down to the right side. Okay, so here peoples, okay, like classical music, which is given classical, and what you want to find out total peoples surveyed, means total how many people surveyed. Okay, now classical music which is given in percentage, that is 10%. 10% means 10 people when the total is 100. 10% means out of 100, so 10 when the total is 100. Okay, now when 20 people are there, what is the total? Just cross multiplication, that is 20 into 100 divided by this one 10. 1010 get 2 into 100, that is 200. Okay, so answer is 200 peoples were surveyed. Okay, 200 people were surveyed. Number 2, look, which type of music is liked by the maximum? Maximum means highest reading. Okay, so just directly compare the numbers, that is 40%, which is highest. That means which type of music? That is light music. So light type of music is liked by the maximum number of people. Okay, third one, if the cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type of they make? Okay, total 1000 CDs they make, and you just find out each number of CDs for each one. Okay, here we find out for semi classical, classical, and folk, and light one you just find yourself. Okay, so first for semi classical, number 3, that is semi classical. Okay, now what is given? Total 1000 CDs are there, and in semi classical 20% are there. 20%. Okay, so out of 100 CDs, out of 100 CDs means when the total 100 CDs are there, 20 CDs of semi classicals are there. Okay, 20 CDs of semi classical. When the 1000 CDs are there, how many classical CDs are there? Cross multiplication, that is 1000 into 20 divided by 100. 1010 cut, 1010 cut, 100 into 2, that is 200. That means 200 CDs of semi classical would they make. Okay, next one is classical, and classical is 10% is given. Okay, so when they make 100 CDs, when the total CDs equal to 100, that time 10 CDs of classical music are there. Okay, so when the 1000, how many classical? Cross multiplication, that is 1000 into 10 divided by 100. 0 0 cut, 0 0 cut, equal to 100. Okay, 100. That means 100 CDs of classical music. They would make. Okay, third one is folk music. Folk. Okay, that time here total CDs 100, and what is the percentage here? That is 30%. Okay, so that time the 30 CDs of folk music. When the 1000 CDs are there, how many folk? Cross multiplication, that is 1000 into 30 divided by 100. 1010 cut, 10 1000 into 3 equal to 300 CDs. Okay, that means they would make 300 CDs of folk music. Okay, and last one is light music. Okay, so 40% is given. You just find out yourself for practice. Okay, you just find out yourself when the 40% of light music are there. The out of 1000, how many? Means out of 100, that is 40. Out of 1000, how much? Like that. Okay, here we find out for semi-final, classical and folk. For light, you just find out yourself. Okay. Question number 2. Now look here. In that group of 360 people were asked. Okay, that means total is given, that is 360. Total is 360, and they vote for their favorite seasons. Here 3 seasons are there: summer, rainy, and winter. And votings of 360 student peoples are given. Okay, now you just find out, means answer the questions. Which season got the most votes? So here look, in winter 150. So winter season got the most votes. Okay, find the center angle for each section. Center angle for that one already I teach you that how to find out that one. Look here, season, and here number of votes are there. Seasons are summer, next is rainy, and third one is winter. And number of what is 90, 120, 150. And to find out center angle, which are these steps? I already told you that. Okay, first step is fraction, and second one is fraction of 360, because total is 360. Total of center angle is 360. Now here fraction means individual data divided by total. Okay, so fraction is 90 out of 360. Total is 360. Okay, 90 out of 360. 0 0 cut, 9 ones are, 9 fours are. So fraction is 1 upon 4. Same here, 120 upon 360, 0 0 cut, 12 ones are, 12 threes are, equal to 1 upon 3. And here 150 upon 360, 0 0 cut, that is 5 threes are and 12 threes are, equal to 5 upon 12. Okay, now fraction of 360. So what to do? 1 upon 4 of 360 means directly multiply with 360, equal to 9 fours are 36 and 0. So that is 90. 1 3 into 360. Okay, and equal to 120 degree. And here 5 upon 12 into 360. 30, 5 3s are 50, 150. Okay, they are the angles. Okay. So find the center angle. Already we find out. Draw the pie chart to show this information. Okay. So I already teach you that how to draw a pie chart. Okay. So you just take the data of seasons, summer, rainy and winter, and here the fraction angles are, means central angles are given. You just draw pie chart. Okay. For summer you just take 90 degree, for rainy 120 degree, and winter 150. You just directly got that one. Okay. Now question number 3. Next one. Look here. Here also same. The informations are given in the table. The colors and number of people, okay, who prefer the colors are given, and you just draw a pie chart. Okay. So first we here make the table of central angle. So that is, look, first one is here, what to do, write down colors, and here number of peoples who prefer that colors. Okay. Colors are blue, then green, then red and yellow. And peoples who prefer that one, blue is 18, that is 9, here 6 and 3. Then what is the total? That is 36. Okay. Now same steps are there. Here fraction, and here fraction of 360. Okay. Now 18. So 18 divided by total is 360. So 18 was a and 2s are. So 1 upon 2. Now here 9 upon 36. 9 ones are, 4s are. That is 1 upon 4. Now 6 upon 360. 1s are, 6 are. That is 1 upon 6. Now 3 upon 1s are, 12s are. 1 upon 12. Okay. Now fraction of 360. So what to do? Multiply with fraction with 360. That is 180 degree. Now 1 upon 4 into 360, 90, that is 90 degree. 1 upon 6 into 360, 6 6 and 1 0, that is 60 degree. And 1 upon 12 into 360, 12 3 and 0, that is 30 degree. Okay. So these are the angles. Now you just draw a pie chart. Datas are there, and here central angles are there. Okay. How to draw that one? So what to do? You just draw pie chart, means circle with arbitrary radius, means any type of measurement of radius, and draw one radius here. Okay. Then start with lowest number. Okay. So 30 degree. You just draw measure of 30 degree angle from this side like that. Suppose that is 30 degree with use of protractor, semicircle, and 30 degree is for yellow color. And how many peoples are there? That is 3. You just write down reading into bracket. Okay. Next angle is 60. So what to do? You just draw 60 degree from here. That is suppose 60 degree with help of protractor, and using this line as a base, and that is red color, and total people are 6. Then 90 degree, this one 90 degree, that is green color, and peoples are 9. And last one you directly got that one 150, sorry 180. Okay. Blue color, and 18 peoples are there like that. Okay. And you already know that how to draw a pie chart. Okay. So in 5.2 just complete first, second and third questions in your notebook. Okay. Next two questions we will solve in next period.